Guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. And in this video we will see how to install the Notepad++ in Windows 11 operating system, as well as we'll see how to run the HTML code using the Notepad++. So let's start. First, open your favorite browser and search for Notepad++ and just hit enter. Now you will navigate to this page, and here we have the official website for the Notepad++. So this is the link you need to click. So click on link. Now you will get this page, and here we have the current version link. You can click on this link and you will see all the Notepad++ versions. You can scroll down and you can see, and the current version is 8.7.6. So click on the download button, or else we have here the options to download. So we are going to install it for the 64-bit. So we'll click on this installer and it will start downloading. It is just an 6.4 MB file, so let's wait till download complete. Then we'll see the installation process. If you go to downloads option, here you will get the other version, that previous version as well. If you want the previous version, you can just directly go to the downloads option and you can download it from here, but we'll install the latest one only. So we have completed the downloading. Let's install it. For that, just open it, click on yes. Now here select the language. We have multiple options in language. We'll select the English one, then click on OK. Then you will get the welcome window. Click on the next, then the license and agreement. Just scroll down and click on I agree. Then this is the path where your all Notepad++ files will be stored. You can change it, or you can keep a same. Here we have the browse button to change, but I'm keeping it as the same only. Then click on next. So these all the components which will download. Then click on the next button. If you want to create the desktop shortcut, you can just select this checkbox and other need to keep as it is and click on the install. So we have installed it successfully. You can see here desktop icon is created, and just click on finish. So it is open. It is just the log file. Let's close this and let's create one new file. You can just go to files and click on new to create new file, and let's type one HTML code. So first we need to give the HTML tab, then the head tab, then body tab. Now in body we'll print some message in H1, hello world, and we need to close the H1 tag. So for that we'll just give the slash and H1, and others tab as well we need to close. So we'll close in upward direction. Like first we'll close the body tab, then head, and then HTML tab. Now we have written the code. Now let's save it and run it. For that, just go to file and click on save as. So I'm saving my code on desktop, and here I'll give name as first HTML, and in the save type we'll select as a HTML. So here you can see the hypertext markup language. that is for the HTML. So select this and click on save. So we have saved the code. Now let's run. To run, just close that file, just close the Notepad++, and you can see on desktop the file is saved. And just to run, we just need to double click on this file, so it will open in um, Chrome. So in this way, here the spelling, let's just refresh it once. So in this way, you can install the Notepad++ in Windows 11 operating system, as well as you can run the HTML code using